since I'm using these Oppo Enco Buds. So today let's talk about how they sound, what the battery life is, features, and most importantly, if this is something you should invest in. Hey, what's up? My name is Shivam, and before getting to the video, if you want to find the best deals on these earbuds, you can head to the first link down below in the description. So here I have the package from Flipkart which contains the retail box of the Oppo Enco Buds. So let's do a quick unboxing and see what we get in the box. Starting off with the design, I want to say that these are some best designed true wireless earphones among all the other earphones I've tried in this price range. The case feels very solid. The moment you hold it, you can feel how dense it is. It feels like it's a thing that is made to last. The device is also very compact in size. I can easily fit this in my pocket without bulging out too much. Taking an overview of the device, we have Oppo logo on the lid, a Type-C port on the back, by the way, which didn't come with a cable to charge it. On the front we have LED indicator that indicates the battery and pairing. Inside the case we have the earbuds. It's obvious that these are magnetic pins, so no matter how hard you try it, they won't come out. Let's talk about comfort and fitting. Talking about the most crucial part of any headphones or earphones, which is the comfort and fitting, it's quite obvious that we don't want any earbuds that are uncomfortable and keeps on coming out from time to time. So in that sense, Oppo Enco Buds are very comfortable pair of earbuds. I'm using it for a few days now and there was no point in time when I felt that I want to take it out. Also, the fitting side is quite strong here. The earbuds are very lightweight, about 4 grams each, and are designed in such a way that it snugly fits into the ears. These are so secure that I was able to use them in workout. On the feature side, this is a blast. Bluetooth 5.2. This is my first true wireless that has Bluetooth 5.2. Even though nobody is going to notice the improvement or the stability or sound, including myself, but it feels good that we are using the latest technology. Talking about the transmission, this uses binaural transmission. That is, in ordinary true wireless, you have one earbud connecting to the phone and the second one connecting to the first one, which we call the master earbud, which increases the latency. So in Oppo Enco Buds, we have binaural transmissions. So that means we have each earbud connecting directly to the phone. So this should give us less latency, but we will confirm in the latency test. Now I can think of a lot of people who wants to use a single earbud, like for taking calls or etc. So you will be happy to know that you can do that here. To do so, open the lid, take out one earbud and close the lid. That's it. Now as soon as you open the lid, the notification will pop on your screen to pair, obviously, asking you to connect to the earbuds. This is because these earbuds have auto connection feature. I cannot show this feature here as I don't have any Oppo device. This only works on Oppo devices, these companies. To control the media playback, we get touch controls. I know a lot of people find these to be a very finicky, but this one works as expected. I was able to switch tracks, play pause, and all sorts of stuff. Now, if you don't like what these gestures do, then you can head to the Play Store or App Store and download the Hey Melody app, which lets you change what these actions do, and also there is an option to update the firmware. Yeah. To make things durable, there is an IP54 rating on these earbuds, which means it can withstand dust and water splashes. See, I told you there were a lot of features on this, but we are not finished yet. To make better calling experience, there is a noise cancellation mic, which helped me in taking calls in outdoor environment, although I don't get out of this cave. But just to give you the test, this is the audio quality of the mic. So if you are at home, then the person you are talking to would hear your voice like this. Now I have some traffic noise playing through this speaker and you can see how much noise getting cancelled out. I'll let you be the judge for that. In Enco Buds, the company is claiming 80 milliseconds of delay as these earbuds have gaming mode, but I'm the guy who cannot trust anyone and you should too. So let's test this out and compare the results. That's that was a lot of features, and now let's talk about the battery life. For the battery, we have 400 milliamp hour battery on the case and 40 milliamp hour on the earbuds. Now, this is not clear if each earbud has 20 milliamp hour or 40 milliamp hour. So if you do know, please do let me know in the comments down below. But if I talk about the charging time, it takes about 50 minutes to charge full, and on a full charge, Enco Buds can serve a total playback of 18 hours. The buds can last up to 4.5 hours to 6 hours on a single charge, depending on the volume you listen to. I got around 4.5 hours at 80% of volume, and then I have to put it back in the case to get a recharge. It takes about 50 minutes to get an hour of playback, but to get them fully charged, it takes about 2 hours, and we can repeat this process to get a total of 3 recharge. So that is how I got 18 hours of playback, 4.5 hours plus 3 recharge. So that's how I get it, which is surprisingly good battery life for true wireless. Coming down to the most crucial part, we have the sound quality itself. So for the driver specification, we have an 8mm driver, which produces decent sound quality, I will tell you. So in terms of clarity, they are good, but when it comes to frequency response or balance between the bass, mids and highs, from there I start to notice issues. See, the bass is very good on these buds and treble is also good, but this lacks in mid-range. As you may know, in any song, mid-frequencies are very important as they contain the vocals. So when I was listening to these, I could only enjoy the instruments but not the vocals. I felt that the vocals were suppressed and they were not enjoyable. So that was what I felt with these tiny earbuds. Also, a tad bit of loudness would be appreciated. It's enough for me, but I know a lot of you guys who like volume over 9000. Yeah, so that was about the sound, and talking about the price, which you might know, but for those who don't know, then it is priced at 1800 rupees. I think which is a good deal. Looking at all the features, everything, it is priced very well. But you know, I'm only here for sound quality, because if a gem sounds like a potato, then it is a potato. So if you ask me what I would suggest, then I would say that if you are in a hurry and you need a true wireless earphones for 2000 rupees, then you can get this one from the links down below in the description. But I can give you even better advice, that is, you can wait and let me find a better pair of true wireless earphones. And for your side of work, hit the subscribe button. I'll do the rest of the hard work. And that's pretty much it for today. Now, if you're not particularly looking for a true wireless earphones and you can try a neckband as well, then I will recommend this video to you. This one right here. Go watch that. What else? Like, share, subscribe. Stay safe. Bye-bye.